My name is Adeze Sandra Steve.
My name is Ege Ifai.
My name is Onyekachi Azizu.
I'm Ukandi Foma.
My name is Carlo Precious.
I'm a fellow in the ongoing IGHub Netpreneurs Developers Fellowship.
I am a fellow in the ongoing IGHub Developers and Netpreneurs Fellowship.
And I'm a fellow in the ongoing IGHub Developers and Netpreneurs Fellowship.
I'm a fellow at the ongoing IGHub Netpreneurs and Developers Fellowship.
And I'm a fellow at the ongoing IGHub Developers and Netpreneurs Fellowship.
For the past few weeks, I've been able to learn some things on project management and some bases of HTML, Agile, and I'm also eager to learn so many things on CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap.
I've been able to learn a lot about digital marketing, how to use content marketing to reach more out to your audience, and I am enthusiastic to learn more about digital marketing in order to use technology to increase and to boost my business.
I could remember I'm just a novice before. I didn't know anything at all. But coming to this program, I learned a lot. Something like design thinking, user interface, how to create an app, how to write source code.
I really want to encourage everyone to be a part of this program, and I just had to register for this program, and for the past few weeks I've really learned much, even more than I learned in school. So I would want to encourage everyone that is sitting at home to be a part of this program because it's going to be so effective in their lives.
I want to encourage everybody around about and its environment to be a part of this training, because I know for the past few days I've been here, I have learned a lot, and it's going to help them in all their areas of endeavors.
And I also use this opportunity to encourage my fellow youths out there. If you are free, if you are not free, if you can make out time, come to IGHub and enroll for this program, because the world we are in today is going tech-wide. Nothing can be done about it.
And I want to use this opportunity to reach out to everyone out there, those who don't have a skill, those who want to learn, those who like tech but they don't really know where to learn. I want to advise you to come over, pick up a phone today and learn, participate in this fellowship.
I also want to use this opportunity to invite other youths, maybe those who don't have anything doing, even those who have something doing, they could also come and learn and put up more to their skills to which they already have. One main thing about this program is you acquire the skill, you use the skill.
Also to use this opportunity to thank IGHub and Ben for this opportunity they are giving. It has not been easy so far, but we thank God.
And I must commend and thank PIN and IGHub Africa for the good work they are doing.
In fact, I don't know, I can't even understand how I can be grateful to IGHub and PIN for this privilege. It's really been a privilege to be here.
And I want to use this opportunity to thank PIN and the management of IGHub for this great opportunity they have given to me and so many other people.